2015 Nissan Versa Note. This is a hatchback, no transponder system at all. You can tell by the ignition lock there, and also there's no flashing red light in the middle of the cluster here. I have my hazards on. What we're going to do is, this had a remote key, so we're going to program another remote to it, but we're going to clear the other one out first. Now, it's not under the Nissan Versa menu, so we're going to pick another selection. It will be added there later. We'll just go ahead and pick a Nissan Titan. We'll pick a 2012. And see where it says Smart Remote 1? That's where we want. Okay. We have a program remote. What we're going to do first is clear. Yes. We don't have to put a key in, just as long as the flashers are on. Okay, that's complete. You can see this is our remote we're going to program. Nothing works yet. We'll go under Program Remote. Okay. You see there's our only key. It's not in there. Press the button. It programs. Say no. And then let's press it. There it is. You can see on the door lock it worked. So you can always program your remote if you need to before you can program your key, or not at all.